Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can send and receive fax messages on your Infinix 12 Pro Note. So we have to start from downloading some fax app. I choose that one, but of course you can choose another one. You will find a lot of it in the Google Store. So we have to open it now, then allow permissions, and here you can see we are now in the send fax mode. So if you want to add some document, click on the plus and choose source of it. I will take a photo now. Here you can see now we can adjust the shape of your document. And if you are ready, click here. Now just choose the filter for it. You can also add a signature and text, or the graffiti. If you are ready, click here. Okay, so there is a place where we can type the number, and optionally we can add a small note. If you want to add more documents, click the plus again and do it same. But if you want to send only this one, just click here and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.